Ever wondered how Chinese New Year started? No? Well, too bad, we're telling you anyway. Chinese New Year, also known as Spring Festival, is the most important holiday in China. It's a time of family, food, and, well, a whole lot of noise. But why all the noise, you ask? It's all thanks to a legendary beast named Nian. This big, bad, noise-hating monster used to creep into villages, causing havoc and terror. The villagers discovered that Nian was scared of loud noises, bright lights, and the color red. So they did what any sane person would do. They threw the biggest, loudest, and reddest party ever. That's right, folks. The world's largest celebration started because a mythical creature couldn't handle a little ruckus. Kind of makes your grumpy neighbor seem not so bad, doesn't it? So, basically, the biggest party in the world started because of a noise-sensitive monster. Talk about being a party pooper, right? Now, let's dive into the traditions. Spoiler alert, they involve a lot of red and even more food. Chinese New Year is the time when red becomes more than just a color. It's a lifestyle. Red envelopes, or hongbao, are handed out like candy, stuffed with money. A little fun fact: the redness isn't just for show. It's believed to ward off evil spirits. And no, contrary to popular belief, getting a red envelope during Chinese New Year doesn't mean you're being fired or dumped. It's the complete opposite, actually. It's like getting a bonus, but from your relatives, not your boss. Then there's the lion dance, which is less of a dance and more of a high-energy acrobatic performance. It's like Cirque du Soleil, but with more fur and less spandex. And let's not forget the reunion dinner, a feast that makes Thanksgiving look like a light snack. It's the one time of the year when everyone is encouraged to eat until they can't move. So, if you're ever in need of some extra cash or a good meal, you know when and where to go. And then there's the zodiac cycle, which is like a rotating cast of characters for each year. Move over, Hollywood. In the fascinating world of Chinese astrology, we have a 12-year cycle, with each year linked to a unique animal. Imagine if instead of saying, "I was born in the late 80s, you could say, "I'm a dragon." Now, don't get it twisted. If you're born in the year of the rat, it doesn't mean you have a penchant for cheese or a fear of cats, and those born in the year of the pig. Well, contrary to popular belief, they're not necessarily messy eaters, or have an odd obsession with mud baths. It's all symbolic, folks. These zodiac signs are believed to shape your personality traits and destiny. So, whether you're a gallant horse or a wise snake, embrace your inner animal. Just remember, no matter what your Chinese zodiac sign is, at least you're not a Nian. That guy can't even handle a little fireworks. So that's Chinese New Year for you. A loud, red, delicious, zodiac-filled celebration. And you thought your family parties were wild. We've delved into its mysterious origins, embraced its traditions, and cycled through the zodiac. And the best part? No beastly party poopers allowed. Unless, of course, they come bearing red envelopes. Then we might make an exception.